welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This one is for the April 2021 bag. So it looks like this. It's like a drawstring version of the normal base bag. Softer material though, thankfully, because the other one was very, very rough. This one's very smooth and soft. This feels like it could be a pillowcase, so much softer. I also have some refreshments items in here. This may be the first time I've had refreshment items in the thing where they didn't F up my order. I'm shook. Maybe they're actually listening to the complaints and the threats that we will leave if they keep effing up so badly as they were there. So I'll just do those first. I have, inexplicably, another bottle of the Refreshments Pearly Body Wash in Citrus Spritz. I hope it's good. I think this is the third time they've sent it to me now. I double-checked to make sure that I'm not opted in on that one. Okay, guess I have a third now. That's cool. It's usable. Whatever. They did not send one of the silky bags this time, though. That was interesting. I also got the deodorants, too, because you can always use deodorant. Don't know how well they work yet, but we have the Breezy deodorant in Pacific Fizz. Lavender Splash, that'll probably be my favorite. Eucalyptus Julep. And this one's just unscented. So, that one and that one are like the same color, so it's going to be tricky keeping them apart, so I'll make sure only one's open at a time. So, that's the refreshment stuff. I'll stick those back in the bag for now. Then the stuff in the actual Ipsy order. Let's see here. Do I have the card? Okay, I do. It says the same things. Okay, it's got exactly the same stuff as the other one, so no need to read it twice. I think there's a bunch of add-ons in this one, if I'm not mistaken. So, first things first, we have, I don't even know how to pronounce this, Gotchis, or Gotchis. It's like a makeup brush set. We've got some very fluffies, we have an angled one, we have a spoolie. You know they'll all get used, so I can always use more makeup brushes, but those not hurt. I'm never mad when I get brushes. I also got from a brand called Item. It's literally in similar packaging to the, what is it? I want to say Laura Geller, but I know that's not it. But you guys will recognize, like, the print, what it makes me think of. But anyway, this is the Lip Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. I'm very excited for that. I'm hoping that's good. Then I have by Thrive Cosmetics, one of the lip filler lip liners in semi-permanent micropigment technology. That almost makes me nervous. In Devon Black Cherry. So that should be a pretty color. If nothing else, I'll just color in the full lip and wear it as a lip color. We have also got by Ofra. You know how I feel about them. This is lip gloss in Golden Rose. There's like some gold sparklies in it. Should be very, very pretty on. What's the else? We have from Nomad the Sydney Bathers Balmoral Beach Kiss of Sun highlighter. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I hope it's pretty. Know how I feel about my highlight. Oh, it's a good size too. The color is, ooh, okay. Okay. It's not like super shiny, but at the same time, it should be nice. I think it should be light enough to still show up and reflect the light on, like, the brow bone. I think it will. I think it'll work. So there's that. We also have, from Kavoth, the Hay Lighter. H-E-Y-E. Hay. I don't know. Luminous Highlighter Palette. It's got sugar, spice, and everything nice as the colors in it. One of these is probably going to be too dark, but the other two should be alright. Oh, actually, I take that back. Well, I might be able to use the one as like a contour or something, bronzer, if I can figure out how bronzer works, but the other two should work fine. These lighter ones should be alright, but that one, I don't know about using it as a highlight per se, but definitely I could probably use for contours, bronzer, and or just eyeshadow if all else fails. So it'll be good. Alright. So that's a thing. Hopefully everything's not going to fall off this table. We've got some more masks, because we've always got more masks when you're me. We have one in papaya. This is, does it even have a brand? This is definitely a Korean brand, but I don't know what the brand is. It's all in, like, Chinese or something on the back, or Korean. But it says papaya, A with Iceland glacial water. Okay. And this is a peeling one. I apologize for how vaginal that papayas look, but it is what it is. And irony, also a peach one. A with Iceland glacial water. It contains natural origin ingredients and is gentle to the skin. They're both with Iceland water. This one's for moisture. We know this will be my favorite. It's peach. I always love the peachy ones. Yeah, if anybody knows what brand is behind these, please give me a heads up, because I have no clue, and when it comes time to review those, I'd kind of like to know what I'm reviewing, so people can actually, I don't know, find the video, just so. Oh, I forgot I got this! Ooh, okay, so, this is from The Balm Cosmetics. The Balm and the Beautiful. Clean beauty and green packaging. Never-ending drama. Eyeshadow palette. Come on. But yeah, I love that packaging. It's so 50s. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let's get it out of that packaging. Come on. It's so stuck. Oh my god. That's like my one complaint with them. It's cute packaging, but boy, it likes to stick in there like a beast. Okay, there we go. It's going. Alright. Oh, it's one of these. Okay, so if you wanted to depot it, there's holes in the back so you can poke through and take them out. So in case you're not into, like, the entire palette, you're not committed to it. Size matters, so reduce your carbon footprint. Please recycle this packaging. So this is what the colors look like. Love the Hollywood theming. And the colors are Cut, Green Screen, Autograph, Makeup Artist, Roll Credits, Red Carpet, Chick Flick, and Cliffhanger. That's so damn cute. Oh my god. I love everything about that. Oh my goodness. Oh, and there's more in here? What does it say? What does it say? It's in different languages. Is there an English one? Not so much. Okay. Well, that's alright. It don't matter. I was like, oh, an Easter egg. Alright. Trying to get it back into this thing now. Good luck. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Okay. So that can go there for now. This is by Real Her. It is the number 3 Real Her Playbook Shadow Palette. It's like factory sealed. The other ones I've had by this brand did not have cling wrap on them, so I'm like, oh okay, alright. Let's get the box cutter then and just very carefully cut into that. So we can get it open. Hopefully I'm not slicing into the actual packaging itself. I am, hopefully not too terribly. Fingers crossed. Okay. I think I did a tiny bit, but nothing horrible. Come on. I think I have number 4 as well from this brand, if I'm not mistaken. Shamefully, I don't think I've actually used it yet. This is in the I Feel Beautiful palette. Okay. So again, very neutrally types of shades here. But they're pretty. They're pretty. So they were very similar to one another, but they're pretty. So perfect, flawless, Incomparable, gorgeous, stunning, impeccable, enchanting, alluring, and divine are the color names. I always love the color names with these. It's just, they're so cute. They're always themed to whatever the thing is. What is in here? I forgot that that's always in one of those. Okay. Boop. Back in with that. I'll just set it down here for now. I've also got the Galactic Jello Gloss Bomb in Glossiest, which I have a sneaking suspicion is exactly the same as the other Galactic Jello Gloss Bomb I have. Oh, they updated the packaging, if nothing else. Okay. It's like metallic and actually made of metal now, and it's definitely a lot heftier, whereas the other one was like pink and plastic. Okay. I know they make different colors of this now, though. They didn't used to. Oh yeah, that's totally the same as the other one. Same scent, yeah. Okay, well, when I managed to use up the other one, I guess I have another one ready to go in its place that's in even better packaging. I am into how hefty that feels, not gonna lie. Makes it feel more bougie. Okay, we've also got, by Jules Smith Beauty, the Blingberry, and I don't know if this is lip oil, lip gloss, doesn't say. Try to read the tiny fine print. Yeah, it doesn't say. But it's a pretty color, regardless. I just don't know if it's gloss or oil. I want to say it's oil by the appearance. I'll double check it before I do a review. From Hey Honey, we have the Boosted Up Honey Rich Moisturizer. So, I adore this brand. They're too expensive for me to buy for fun, but whenever it's in Ipsy, I adore it. And finally, lastly in here, we have from Misho Beauty, a couple of nail polishes. I've got like one or two from this brand. So one of them is in Diana. I can't decide if it makes me think more of Princess Diana or the Michael Jackson song Dirty Diana, but either way, it's good. And also, Worthy. They're both very cute colors. I like them. I can't wait to try these on. But I did just declaw myself the other day, so I have to wait for them to grow out a little bit to be long enough to paint, but not long, I'm sure. So, that is everything that I got in my April 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. Tell me what you thought. What did you get in yours? If you're a member, let me know down below. What are you the most looking forward to seeing me review first? Let me know that too. As well as anything about anything. And as always, you know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time. Bye-bye.